Seems my first patient's a big deal.
So you want to charge $1,000,000 to hack off my bum arm? I'm gonna need you to justify your greed real quick like. And if you can't...
First of all, who said I was only gonna cut it off? I'll also have to make you a new one. And regeneration is exhausting. I'm never working for free again. I don't care if you're a big shot in the slums or even a king. I demand fair pay for my labor.
Huh? You trying to pull something? I've never heard of a healer who can grow back someone's arm.
Huh? Other healers can't do it? Very odd. Since I never had formal training, I don't know what's normal. I'm gonna get started.
Okay. Let's hope you can actually perform miracles.